Welcome to Slow English Podcast for Arabs. I'm so happy you're here with me today. Here you will learn. Here you will grow. Here your English will improve. Here you will find your school. Here you can speak without fear. Here you can practice every day. Here you can become more confident. This is not just a podcast. This is your safe place to learn. Every word you hear brings you closer to fluency. Every sentence you repeat makes you stronger. Every mistake you make teaches you something new. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Don't wait for the right moment. The right moment is now. The right place is here. And the right person is you. Say it with me. Here I learn. Here I improve. Here I grow. Here I speak. Here I believe in myself. Amazing! Today we will do something very powerful. Shadowing. Shadowing is easy. You listen. You repeat. You speak with me. That's all. Simple, right? But remember, this
simple
exercise can change the way you speak English. In this episode, we will enjoy a short story. The story is about personal growth and confidence. It will inspire you. It will give you new words and useful sentences. And together, we will practice slowly and clearly.
Keep
Smiling,
keep speaking.
and never give up. So, let's begin our journey together. Step by step. Word by word. With joy and confidence. This is Anna. She is 25 years old. She feels shy. She feels small. She does not believe in herself. Repeat after me. I feel shy. I feel shy. I don't believe in myself. I don't believe in myself. One morning, Anna looks in the mirror. She whispers, I want to change. I want to grow. I want to be strong. Repeat. I want to change. I want to change. I want to grow. I want to grow. I want to be strong. I want to be strong. Anna writes in her diary, "Today I will try something new." She smiles and feels a little hope. Repeat. I will try something new. I will try something new. I feel hope. I feel hope. Anna joins her speaking class. She is afraid. Her hands are shaking. Her voice is soft. She says, "Hello, my name is Anna." Repeat after me. Hello, my name is Anna. Hello, my name is Anna. I can speak. I can speak. The teacher smiles. The students clap. Anna feels a little stronger. Repeat. I feel stronger. I feel stronger. I am doing my best. I am doing my best. After class, Anna thinks, "That was scary, but I did it." Repeat. I did it. I did it. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. The next day, Anna walks home.
She sees
A stranger. She wants to say hello. She says, "Good morning." The stranger smiles. Anna feels warm inside. Repeat. Good morning. Good morning. I can talk to people. I can talk to people. At work, she has a meeting. She hesitates. She takes a deep breath. She says one sentence clearly. Repeat. I take a deep breath. I can speak clearly. Day by day, Anna practices. Every small step makes her more confident. Repeat. Every small step helps me. Every small step helps me. I am becoming stronger. I am becoming stronger. Anna gives her first short speech in class. Her voice is clear. Her smile is bright. Everyone claps loudly. Repeat. I can do it. I can do it. I feel proud. I feel proud. Anna writes in her diary. Step by step, I am growing. She practices every day. She repeats positive sentences to herself. Repeat. Step by step, I am growing. Step by step, I am growing. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. Anna's company has an important meeting. Her boss says, Anna, will you present the project? Her heart beats fast. Her hands feel cold. But she breathes deeply. She says, yes, I will. Repeat. Yes, I will. Yes, I will. I can do it. I can do it. On the day of the presentation, Anna stands in front of the team. She feels fear, but she remembers her training. She speaks slowly. She speaks clearly. She says, "Thank you for listening." Repeat. I speak slowly. I speak slowly. I speak clearly. I speak clearly. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening. The room is silent. Then applause fills the air. Anna smiles with tears. She did it. Repeat. I did it. I did it. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. From that day, Anna changes. She walks tall.
She speaks
With confidence. She looks people in the eyes. She believes in herself. Repeat. I walk tall. I walk tall. I speak with confidence. I speak with confidence. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. One evening, Anna writes in her diary, Today I am strong. Today I am confident. Today I believe in myself. Repeat. I am strong. I am strong. I am confident. I am confident. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. Anna creates small daily habits. She greets people every day. She speaks one new sentence daily. She writes 3 positive things in her diary. She practices deep breathing before challenges. Repeat each habit. I greet people every day. I greet people every day. I speak one new sentence daily. I speak one new sentence daily. I write 3 positive things in my diary. I write 3 positive things in my diary. I practice deep breathing. I practice deep breathing. These small habits build big confidence. Repeat. Small habits build big confidence. Repeat. Small efforts build big confidence. I can grow every day. I can grow every day. Anna's journey teaches us confidence grows step by step. Mistakes are lessons. Every attempt is progress. Repeat. Confidence grows step by step. Repeat. Confidence grows step by step. Mistakes are lessons. Mistakes are lessons. Every attempt is progress. Every attempt is progress. Remember, just like Anna, you can take one small step today. Repeat after me. I take one small step today. I take one small step today. I can do it. I can do it. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. Excellent. You finished today's shadowing episode. Keep practicing every day. Your confidence grows step by step, word by word.